Hey, what's going on? Garrett here. Now, inside this video, what I'm going to do is reveal a little known formula that I've been using to generate as much as $500 or more in 30 minutes of work or less online. Okay, now I'm going to break this down on a whiteboard online so you can see visually exactly how this formula works. So if you're someone that's been struggling to make the money you want online, you want to pay close attention to this entire video. Now, real quick, you can see on the screen that I've had an email come in. You can see it says, "Hello, Garrett. You've received a Powerline payment amount of $500 from Vertex Elite." Okay, so I get these on a daily basis, and I'm going to share exactly how to do this. But first off, if you're new to my channel and you never want to miss out on my latest systematic step-by-step online money-making video trainings, click the subscribe button below, and so you never miss out on my latest videos. But without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right into this formula. So as you can see on the screen here, it says this little known formula makes me $500 or more in 30 minutes of work a day. Now, what is this formula? Well, what it's called is the 80-20 rule. Now, maybe you've heard of this before, maybe you've seen in another YouTube video, but I'm gonna break this down in incredibly simple detail so you can apply this to your business, apply this to your bank account, and start to have the money flow in as fast as possible that you truly want. Now, what is the 80-20 rule? Well, this is a well-documented principle in business, in relationships, in every aspect of your life. And what it says is 80% of the results that you want, okay, and in this case it's money, 80% of the money that you're gonna have flow into your bank account comes from just 20% of the actions that you're doing. So if you're someone that's currently going out there and promoting affiliate products online, you're maybe posting on social media, you're engaging with people's content, you're doing all these different tasks throughout the day. I know a lot of people that reach out to me and decide to join through one of the links in my description. Before they do, go to that link below and join. Oftentimes they're saying they're confused, they're overwhelmed, they're burnt out, they're spending hours a day on their smartphone or computers trying to, burn the candle at both ends, so to speak. And it's because they're doing all these activities, but only 20% of them are actually gonna make them money. So in this video, what I'm gonna do right now is break down the 20% activities that you need to put 100% of your focus in and cut out all the other crap so you can just spend less time to make a lot more money. Okay, and if you're wanting to learn that, click the like button below to let me know you're serious when it comes to changing your life. So what is the 20% activities to making money online? Well, there's only about 4 of them that I've personally identified. I've talked to a lot of different people. Now, there's different subsets inside of these, but if you just focus on these, you're gonna make gobs and gobs of money incredibly fast, okay? So the first activity is finding good offers to promote online. So you wanna get good at finding products, offers, services that you can actually promote. Now, I usually teach affiliate marketing, which is where you don't have to create the product or offer yourself. You can just find good offers that are converting well, meaning if you send a lot of people to that offer, a high percentage are gonna decide to buy, a high percentage are gonna decide to pull out their credit card and make a purchase. Those are good offers. Now, that's a skill. And in my videos and past videos, I've walked you through how to do this. But again, I want you to think about what you're currently doing today and really analyze, are you doing things that you shouldn't be focused on, okay? And the second activity is creating and posting ads, okay? So if you wanna make money online, you need to be posting and creating advertisements that are gonna get people interested, because that's the only way they're gonna be able to go to your website and go to your sales page that you're promoting and buy. So creating and posting ads, this could have to do with creating Facebook advertisements. This could be posting a YouTube video. This could be creating an Instagram picture. Anytime that you're advertising, you want to be focused on creating and posting ads. Number 3, the 20% activity you want to focus on is sending interested people your sales website, okay? So after you've found a good offer to promote, you've started creating and posting advertisements to get people interested. Now, as people reply or they respond, or if you post a picture on Facebook, an ad, and they comment for more information, right? They're asking you for more information. They're they're DMing you on Instagram to find out more about what you're promoting. You want to be sending those people to your sales website. So if you're promoting an affiliate product, this is going to be the affiliate sales page, or if you have a funnel in place, you could send them to your capture page to run them through that funnel. But essentially, sending interested people is one of the core activities that you need to focus on, okay? And then the last thing, really the only last thing, I mean, besides, scaling up and maybe creating your own products, but just to make money online as fast as possible, is then you want to focus on following up with the interested people that you just sent to your sales page, because realize most people will not decide to buy instantly. It can take people multiple exposures, multiple times to follow up. So you want to work on following up. Now, you can either re-message the people that asked for information, or if you're building an email list, which I recommend you do, rather than sending people right to your sales page, you send them to a capture page, which captures that person's email, and then you can follow up through email follow-up messages. Well, you would be writing an email, okay? Writing an email and following up with those people. That's another 20% activity that you need to focus on. But everything else, right? Designing your Facebook cover picture, engaging with a ton of people on their content, getting in conversations with people. All that stuff is really the 80% that is not directly related to increasing your bank account. So if you cut out all that crap and you just focus on what I covered in this video, you are going to be shocked and in awe at how fast and easy money will just start flowing into your bank account, even when you're sleeping. Even when you least expect it, you'll refresh your email and you'll see another notification of a commission that came in just through doing these simple steps. So if you like this video, and if you want to actually learn more in depth on how to apply these 4 simple activities, I'm going to include a link below. Now, many people who watch my videos have already clicked that link and gotten started in that amazing opportunity. But if you're one of the few people that have not already partnered with our massive movement to learn how to post ads, get high converting products out there so people will decide to buy so you can earn money, and also how to get access to something that will follow up for people with those interested people to make money even on autopilot, again, go to the link below and check that out while it's still available. Last but not least, if you like this video, you want me to make more, click the like button below and subscribe so you're always notified on my latest videos. Thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on my next video. Take care.